Ciao tutti in Italians, to my Italian family, to my Italian friends and fans. Guys, welcome back to my channel. Guys, please, for those of you that have not subscribed, please try and hit the button. We are almost 100, and anyway, we are not doing good. I'm not doing too well in that way, but please guys, try and help me and subscribe and share to your contacts. And for those of you most time that I've been sharing to, that you've been receiving my videos, please pardon me. Time will come, I'll stop sharing, because you are the guys, you are the ones that I know, you are the people that I know. That is why I'm sharing to you. So please support me and subscribe and hit that subscribe button, guys. Guys, today I'm doing something different, and I just, for a while, I just want to start doing some trending news to keep some people updated. And today we are talking about Donald Trump and the COVID. Guys, you guys know, you've seen a lot of it. You've seen a lot of videos and comments and news. And I've seen too, so that is why I'm out here to talk about him. Before he was elected, I supported him in a way that because he was supporting Christians, he was helping, trying to help the Christians. That was why I supported him. And guys, it's not only that, he's human. For me, anybody that wants to change, that is preaching change, that is trying to tell the people or the masses that they want to change the system, if the system is not good, they want to change it for better, of course I will support them, because I want the system to be changed. Yes, some people will say, is America, is Donald Trump your president? Is America your country? No, America is not my country. Donald Trump is not my president, but he's one of the most popular presidents in the whole world, here on earth. Back in Nigeria, you cannot talk about our president these days, because if you do, something will happen to your family or you. A lot of people will say, why are you doing politics now? And in Nigeria, they will tell you, if you talk about our president or most of these politicians, they will tell you it's hate speech. So because of that, everybody's being careful. Anyway, let's just go direct to the news. Guys, I heard and I saw that Donald Trump has been healed after 3 days. He's back in White House, and people have been talking, and people have been like angry. Some people are saying, it's not true, it's fake news, it's this, it's that, it's that. I've gone through a lot of news, and the ones that I've seen a lot of like the same, that look alike, look the same, those are the ones that I am now talking about. Those are the ones that I prefer or I choose to talk about. Guys, there's one thing I want you all to know. Donald Trump is not an Iron Man or Superman or spirit immortal. Donald Trump is human being like you and I. And if Trump is human being like you and I, anything can happen to Trump. Coronavirus, cancer, any infection, virus, or any kind of disease can happen to him. Why? Because he's human being. He has blood like you and I. So when I saw the news that people were laughing, you don't laugh at somebody that is sick, because sickness does not look at anybody's face. You that is laughing, that sickness might visit you tomorrow. You are not like free of it. You're not free and secured of those virus or sickness. So if somebody say, okay, even if people or some people will say Donald Trump is the worst president ever in US, okay, let's look at it one way. Another way, business wise, another way, the economic, according to him and according to what I've seen, it has improved. But when it comes to immigrants and all that, it was like banning like most of the countries to come into US. I understand his part. I understand why he's going through that, because most of us, what we need to know is that there are no leader without mentor. There are no leader without advisor beside them, behind them, telling them what to do. Most of these presidents, they are not doing what they want to do. They are doing what those people that put them in that seat want. But yes, but because they are the one that are representing these people, we will attack them instead of those people that are pushing them, because we don't see those people. It's the person that we see that we attack or we talk to or we refer to. So guys, please, 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 I want to beg everyone. Today I'm gonna read, let me check. I might read for their lives, and let me guys, my director is beside me telling me how to sit now. Oh, Eric. Okay, White House staff are scared for their lives. Embarrassed Trump. But guys, can you imagine? White House staffs are scared. Scared of their president, right? Please, guys. It's not as if he carries one kind of disease. As soon as he passes you just contact it. If you're wearing your mask, keeping distance, washing your hands and all that, at least you'll be safe in some parts. But that does not mean that we all will start running, or they should start running away from him because of he has virus. And guys, and I know this thing that happened to him, maybe it might affect him in his election. But what I want to say today is that all those things are fake news. Most of these things are fake news. Please, we should stop judging people on behalf of what people say and dig into the matter. If you want to talk about somebody, if you want to kill somebody, if you want to judge somebody, please, so that you will not be judged. If you want to judge at all because you're not supposed to judge, please, guys, deep into the matter of Trump and find out what are the truth, because I will still I will still make more videos about this update, this trending news about him, to let you people know what is going on and what is not going on. So please, guys, I will stop. This is just a short video so that a lot of people will have time to watch it. I love you all, guys. Donald Trump is not a spirit. Donald Trump is not a Iron Man. Donald Trump is not a Superman, superhero and all that. I cannot contact any virus or disease or sickness. He's a human being like you and I. And anything can happen to anybody. So what happened to Donald Trump now would open everybody's eyes that nobody is more powerful than this virus. It's only God. We all are into this together. And it's only God, the Almighty God, that can tell and knows who or the next person that this virus can infect. So we all should keep praying and don't laugh anybody that is sick or anybody that have tragedy or anybody that have problem, crisis. Please don't laugh them. Pray for them. It is me, guys. Oh, my vlog. I love you guys for your support, but this last video, please guys, please support. And most times there are some people there that I will be sending my video on Messenger, and it's as if they've blocked me. I don't know if they've blocked me or what, but when I send, the message will not go. Please, guys, I'm just sending to you for you to support me. If you have started supporting me, when you get the videos, you can just click it or you delete it later. You can go to my page and watch. Thank you, guys. I love you all. Please, we should stay safe and know that coronavirus does not fear anybody but God. So stay safe. One love. Love you all. Ciao, ciao.
Peter Pan, that's what they call me. I promise that you'll never be lonely. Peter